Dear learners of the Standard 6, today I will discuss your textbook of mathematics exercise 2.1 from question number 10 to the end. Now question number 10. In question number 10, the problem is the ratio of the ages of father and son is 14:3. That is, the ratio of father and son is 14:3 of their ages. If the age of father is 56 years, what is the age of son? Now, solution. Look at the solution. Given the ratio of ages of father and son, what is the ratio? The ratio is 14:3. From these ratios, we can just let the ages of father and son 14x years and 3x years. This 14 multiplying with x and this 3 multiplying with x, we will get the age of the father and the son. So we will write like this: let the ages of father and son are 14x years and 3x years respectively. That means the age of father is 14x years and age of son is 3x years. Now in the question already we have given the age of father is 56 years, and already we have let the age of father is 14x. So now we will get an equation that 14x is equal to 56. We will calculate the equation and we will get x is equal to 56 by 14, and this 56 will be divided by 14 and we will get the result 4. So x is equal to 4. So the age of son is equal to, already earlier we have let the age of son is 3x years. So the age of son is equal to 3x years is equal to 3 into the value of x is equal to 4. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12 years. Dear learners, already we have got the age of the son 12 years. At the end of this solution we will write like this: the calculated age of son is equal to 12 years, and this is the answer of these problems. Now, dear learners, question number 11. In the question number 11, the problem is like this: the sum of two numbers is 630. That is, the addition of two numbers is 630. Their ratio, that means the ratio of these two numbers is 10:1. Determine two numbers. Now solution. Given ratio of two numbers is equal to 10:11. Ratio of two numbers is equal to 10:11. This is given in the question. Let the two numbers are 10 multiplying with x and 11 multiplying with x respectively. When we will get a ratio, then we will let the numbers just multiplying with the both ratios of a common factor. In this question, in this solution, we will just let the common factor x. So the two numbers are 10x and two numbers is equal to 10:11. That is given in the question. With the reference of this ratio, we let the two numbers are 10 multiplying with common factor x and this 11 multiplying with common factor x respectively. That is, if we get a ratio, from this ratio we can let the numbers just multiplying with the ratios of the common factors. Here the common factor has been taken as unknown number x. So let the two numbers are 10x and 11x respectively. Now we will get an equation, as already we have given that sum of these two numbers are 630. On the other hand, already we have let the two numbers 10x and 11x. So now we can write 10x plus 11x is equal to 630. Now we will solve the equation. 10x plus 11x is equal to, if we add these two terms, we will get 10 plus 11, 21x is equal to 630. It implies that x is equal to 630 by 21. If we calculate this factor, then we will get x is equal to 30. So the first number is equal to 10x. Earlier already we have let this number initially, that let the two numbers are 10x and 11x. And already we have got the value of x is equal to 30. So the first number is equal to 10x is equal to 10 into, in place of x we will write 30, as the value of x is equal to 30. So 10 into 30 is equal to 300. Dear learners, on the other hand, the second number is equal to 11x. So 11 into, in the place of x we will write 30, as already we have got the value of x is equal to 30. So in the place of x we will write 30. So 11 into 30 is equal to 330. Therefore, the required two numbers are 300 and 330. And that's the answers of this question.